Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2024 210 Montauk Boston Whaler. As you can see moving forward, you have ample forward seating with backrest, cushions in the bow, black rub rail with stainless insert, forward console seating, nice large cooler there in the front, a large T-top for good sun coverage, helm seating with fold-up bolsters. On the dash, you have a flush-mounted Simrad unit, easy operated switches, a large fishing deck area with fold-up seats, rod holders on the backrest, a nice boarding ladder. This boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard.